Team Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my fish soup. This is a very easy and simple dish to make. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this. Let's jump into the tutorial. So I have all my ingredients ready. As you guys can see, I've shown you guys all my ingredients. Now I'm going to blend everything together except the fish. This is so simple. It's just the same way of you making pepper soup if you're from Africa or from Sierra Leone, but this one you are blending everything together, all the vegetables together. Dry fish, you can add the dry fish on its own if you want to, but I decided to blend the dry fish also with the vegetables, to just blend everything. So the only thing I will have in the pan is the three big fish, and also add water. Do not add a lot of water, but add enough so that you have enough water to use to blend the food. So I'm just going to use my blender and just blend everything. I'm going to add little by little. If I feel like I need more water, then I add. I'm going to blend two pepper, and the other two pepper, I'm going to put it into the pan in case someone need extra pepper. I'm using okra and jakato if you're from Africa, but I'm not going to blend those two. I'm just going to put that one in the pan as well, but I'm going to blend the dry fish. I love eating this soup with fufu. It's very, very delicious. I also love to eat it with yam. For example, if you want to eat this with yam, you have to cook the yam separately and then add the yam into the soup, let everything steam for a few minutes, and then voila, you have your yam. So now I'm going to put all the ingredients into the pan. You don't need to add water, you don't need to add anything. You're just going to allow this to steam. These are vegetables, okay? These are vegetables, so there's no need for you to overcook the vegetables, okay? So now I'm just going to mix everything, and then I'm going to add my tomato. The water that I'm adding is the water that I already have in the cup. So I'm not adding any extra water. It's the water that I was supposed to use to blend, but I didn't put everything to blend the vegetables. So I'm just adding the water to like rinse the blender, the remaining stuff in the blender, just to get it out. So now I'm going to add my tomato paste and add my seasoning. This is a very, very quick and simple dish because these are all vegetables. Vegetables takes you don't need to cook vegetable for a very long time. It's very, very easy. It takes such amount of time to cook. And then the fish only needs to steam. So first you're going to allow the vegetable to steam, and then later on you're going to add the fish into it. This is such a simple dish to cook, and I really like it. You can also eat this with spaghetti if you want to. This is like how you make your own spaghetti or macaroni sauce. You can also add it if you want to, but I like to eat this especially with fufu or with some boiled yam or boiled cassava. I really, really love it. So I'm just going to mix everything, and then I'm just going to close the pan to allow it to steam for a few minutes. So now everything is steam, everything is cooking. As you guys can see, it has changed color. It's looking very, very, very delicious, and I really, really like it. So now it's time to add the fish. I have this one big fish that I cut into three. I'm just gonna add the fish, allow the fish to steam for a little bit. Just allow the fish to steam for a little bit, and then later on I'm going to take the fish also out because you don't want the fish to cook and scattered. So I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients, the okra, the jakato, the pepper. I'm just gonna add those extra. I love jakato and okra. They are very, very delicious. Such a delicious dish. So I'm just gonna add all of that for it to steam, and then just allow everything to steam for few minutes. Whilst that one is steaming, I'm just going to be cleaning around the kitchen, because when I'm done, I'm going to eat this with fufu. I'm going to eat this with fufu. I've already done a video showing you guys how I make cassava and cocoyam fufu. So if you guys have not checked that video, check it out, because that is what I'm going to be using to eat this delicious meal. I'm just going to try to see if the fish has cooked, and also try to turn the fish over, because I don't want the fish to break. That's the reason why I am going to be taking the fish out later on, and then allow the okra and the jakato to cook a little bit, because I don't want the fish to break. So the fish is already steamed. I'm just going to take it out, allow the okra and the jakato, because those are not yet ready. I'm going to allow those to cook first, and then I'm going to later on add the fish again. If you leave the fish in the pan for everything to cook along, the fish is going to break, it's going to scatter, and I do not like that. I just like to have the big fish on my tray, on my plate. I like it like that, instead of leaving it to cook till it breaks. So now we're just gonna allow everything to steam for a few minutes. So now that the okra and the jakato has cooked, now I'm just going to add the fish back. The fish has already steamed, has already cooked. The reason why I took the fish out, because I wanted to give the okra and the jakato that few minutes for it to cook, and I don't want the fish to scatter. That's the reason why I took the fish out. But if you don't mind the scatteredness of the fish in the sauce, you can leave it. But I take it out. So now I'm just going to add the fish, and then allow everything to just warm up. Now the gas is the gas is on the lowest setting, very very low. Just gonna allow everything to warm up a little bit. Just allow the fish to warm, and then voila, your food will be ready. You can go and eat this with whatever dish you want to, with fufu, with yam, with boiled yam, boiled cassava, or you can even just drink eat it like that on its own, fish and soup. Just like take it like that, because there's enough pepper here. There's enough pepper, even though the pepper is not too much compared to what others would prefer. But that's the reason why I add the 2 boiled peppers. So if anybody need extra spice, you can actually use those, because I want to enjoy my food. I don't want my mouth to be burning. Some people really like spice, and I'm not really like into a lot of spice. I can't stand a lot of pepper. Not always, not always. Sometimes, yeah, but not always. So guys, now the food is ready. Actually, it is ready. As you guys can see, this is a very, very, very simple dish, and I really, really like it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. There are so many ways to create simple and affordable dish, and this is one of them. So yeah, your dish is ready. Now I'm going to be taking my cocoyam and cassava fufu. I'm going to pour the soup on top. So this is my cocoyam and cassava fufu. I'm just going to pour the soup on top, and the kids love it. Gonna add a lot of soup. The kids love it. I love it. It was delicious, and the big fish on top of it. I feel so good. So let me know, what you guys think. Do you guys know this kind of soup? Have you guys prepared anything like this before? Have you guys eat it before? Let me know what you think in the comment box. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really really appreciate it. And yeah, delicious. This is just delicious. This is very very easy. You don't need a lot of stuff. Um, Even one fish can make you can use one fish to cook a dinner. So this is just it. Hope you all like it. Oh, that is so delicious. It's so delicious. The kids love it. My daughters, they love it. They love fufu. Fufu is one of our favorite dishes in the house, and you can keep the remaining one for the next day and eat it with something else. So yeah, this is it. This is how I prepare my fish soup. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys once more again for your love and support. I really, 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 really appreciate it. Team Fullest, if you have any question, let me know in the comment box, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Bye.